The Philippines is composed of hundreds of sandbars, but there are only a few noticeable and popular ones. A sandbar is a natural deposit of bar of sand that rises from the sea, mostly located near the beach or island. The long vacation is coming and you are probably thinking about where is the perfect place to go in the Philippines. This article may help you though. Read carefully and try to imagine yourself being in the videos or photos of sandbars below. 10 most beautiful sandbars in the Philippines. 1. Kalangaman Island, Leyte. Kalangaman Island is also dubbed as the most beautiful sandbar in the Philippines. It is currently the most popular tourist attraction in Leyte. It is a beautiful sandbar with crystal clear waters and powdery white sand. The sandbar itself will leave you in great awe, but the picture-perfect view of the entire area will be jaw-dropping. Kalangaman Island is located in Palampon, Leyte. To get here, you have to coordinate with the Tourism Office of Palampon. 2. Manjuyad White Sandbar, Negros Oriental. Manjuyad White Sandbar is one of the most beautiful sandbars in the Philippines and is also known as the Maldives of the Philippines. It is a very long and wide stretch of white sandbar that completely disappears on high tide. During high tide the water is crystal clear, and if you are a good swimmer, this is a very good time to swim. There are around 4 cottages in the sandbar that looks like floating cottages during high tide. The best time to visit Manjuyad White Sandbar is in the morning where the shoreline is visible. It is located in Baez City, Negros Oriental. Contact the Tourism Office of Baez City if you are planning to visit here. 3. Sumalan Island Sandbar, Cebu. The sandbar in Sumalan Island is one of the fascinating sandbars in the Philippines. It is composed of fine white sand and crystal clear waters, but what makes it interesting is that it constantly changes its shape and location according to seasons. Sumalan Island is located at the tip of Cebu. That's why this sandbar is also called as the best kept secret of Cebu. Sumalan Island Sandbar is located in Oslab, Cebu. One can reach here via short boat ride from Oslab. 4. Vanishing Island, Davao del Norte. Vanishing Island is a beautiful sandbar in the Philippines located in the province of Davao del Norte. It is also composed of white sand and clear waters with few mangrove trees. As the name suggests, it vanishes completely during high tide. But it's just shallow, one can still walk around and enjoy the clear waters. This is also a perfect place for swimming. This beautiful sandbar is located in Samal Island, Davao del Norte. It is just near in Davao City though and can be easily reached via few minutes boat ride. 5. Snake Island, Palawan. Snake Island is a unique sandbar in the Philippines. It is composed of fine sand and many small corals and pebbles in both sides. As the name suggests, you may be thinking that there are plenty of snakes in this sandbar. But no, there are no snakes. What it refers is the actual sandbar itself. It is a snake-like, letter S-shaped sandbar that visibly connects two islands. Yes, it is like a bridge that connects two islands. One can walk in the sandbar that will lead to the next island and back. Snake Island is just a 45-minute boat ride from El Nido, Palawan. 6. White Island, Come Again. White Island is one of the most beautiful sandbars in the Philippines with turquoise clear waters and fine white sand, thus the name. This horseshoe-shaped or C-shaped sandbar is a popular destination in Come Again. There are not trees or cottages in the island, so you have to bring or rent an umbrella if you want to have some shade from the sun. What's more interesting in this sandbar is that it gives you a stunning view to Mount Hibak and Mount Vulcan. White Island is located in the municipality of Mambajao in the province of Come Again. If you visit here on holidays, expect many visitors in the island. 7. Virgin Island, Bohol. Virgin Island is a very long stretch of fine white sandbar. It is being dubbed as the hidden oasis of Bohol. There are no people living in the island. What one can see there are the white sand beach, clear waters and trees. During low tide, the sandbar stretches more than a hectare. During high tide, the sandbar disappears, but it's just shallow, so you can still walk or dip into the water. Since it's just shallow, it makes motorized outrigger boats unable to dock just anywhere in the island. There is just a single docking station in the island. Virgin Island is just 20 minutes away from Panglao Island, Bohol. 8. Bulubadangan Island, Iloilo. Bulubadangan Island Sandbar is a picturesque sandbar in the Philippines located in Iloilo. It is a popular destination in the province with a fine sandbar that almost stretches up to the next island. The fine sand, clear waters and the wide-angle view is surely amazing. The view of Mount Panafag in the afternoon is surely spectacular. For accommodations, there is a private resort in the island with basic amenities. Bulubadangan Island is situated in Concepcion, Iloilo. Contact the local tourism office if you are planning to visit the island. 9. Manlawi Island, Camarines Sur. Manlawi Island is another popular sandbar in the Philippines. Though it disappears on high tide, but one can witness a vast rippling sandbar in low tide. It is a kilometer-wide sandbar during the low tide. There are just small nipa huts around, so one can enjoy the nature and beach at its best. One can also take beautiful pictures with the mountains as backdrop. Manlawi Island is located at Caramoan, Camarines Sur. 10. Seco Island, Antique. Seco Island, a fast-booming tourist destination in Antique. It is one of the most beautiful sandbars in the Philippines that looks like an elbow with 1.5 kilometers stretch of fine white sand. In Antique, the word seco means elbow. The photos of the sandbar is really breathtaking and very inviting. Recently, it gained popularity on the social media. Seco Island is perfect for swimming, camping and kiteboarding. Seco Island is located in Tibiao, Antique. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook channel. Keep safe and have a good day.